Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make character AI remember things. Now it does have internal memory, so the models that on which these are trained automatically remembers. But if you feel like these chatbots are not remembering, let's just say this is the bot or character that I created and I was chatting it about my age, and let's just see if it remembers. So, do you remember my age? And I'm going to be typing in here that, and it's going to be yeah, so it does remembers 89 here, as you can see. So on top somewhere I told it about my age or something like that. And yeah, so just hold on a bit until I find it. Yeah, somewhere above I did type 89 and it did remember. So if you want to improve the memory even more, you're going to be needing to upgrade to a paid plan. You can see if you have better memory, characters remembers more with frequent updates. And yeah, that's how basically you can make them remember things. Just let them know in a prompt and they'll do. Thank you so much for watching.